Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your NOKIA G60. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store, here find Notify Body. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, click on the Open. Move to the next step, grant 3 permissions to the app. Lastly, you can disable battery optimization, but it's optional. Now let's move on. Here we can find 4 tabs. There's a user, in which you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. There's also system. Here you can see all system-bound apps. Active. Here you can find all apps that you've just activated. So let's try one. Here it is. There's also settings, in which you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, color. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Click on the test to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.